Hello, today I'm in Suzuki SX4. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and go to settings. Enter sound, and now you can adjust volume mixer for media, notifications and phone, and also for radio, SD card, USB, AUX, CD player and Bluetooth. Next you can adjust balance and fader, bass, middle and treble, automatic volume control, recognition prompt, voice prompt, and enable or disable key tones. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.